In this video, we're going to talk about a strategy for adding decimals. Now, just with any operation, there are a lot of different ways that you can add decimals. This might be a new strategy to you, or this might be something that you're already very familiar with. Whatever the case may be, remember to jot down some questions along the way, and also take really good notes so that you have them to go back to when you need them. Also, remember that you can always pause, rewind, and even rewatch this video, as it's always going to be available to you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at strategy 1. This strategy is called the give and take. And with the problem, we're going to be using 163.45 plus 23.1. Now, think about what that might mean to you for a second. Give and take. Well, the whole point of this strategy is to give some numbers from one number to numbers in another number. That was a little wordy. So in other words, I'm going to take one of these numbers, either 163.45 or 23.1, and I'm going to take some digits away and automatically give them to the other number to make it easier to calculate mentally. Now, you can do this any way you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take 0.45 away from 163. I'm going to make that just a little bit thinner. All right, so I'm going to take 0.45 away from this number, and I'm going to add it on to this number, because if I'm taking it from one number, I got to put it somewhere else. So now 163.45 becomes 163, and 23.1 becomes 23.55. And now it's a little bit easier to calculate, because now instead of calculating a decimal plus a decimal, I'm adding a whole number plus a decimal. So you can either do this mentally, or I'll just write it out long way over here. So 163, 2355. Don't forget, we want to line up our decimals. And we have 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So our final answer is 186.55. And that is the give and take strategy.